All right, let's move on to doing a solder joint with a torch. Let's get in and let's get this in here. I've already twisted the wire together and all that, so we need not worry about that. And here it is right here. And then I'm gonna unplug my soldering iron over here so I don't burn my arm. There we are. Okay, so here we have the Burns-O-Matic soldering gun. Well, soldering torch. And this is the end that goes on it. It goes on like that. And you can use this just like that. So the flame heats this up. But I showed you that already, so I'm not going to use that tip. I'm just going to simply solder with the flame. And that's kind of like when you do plumbing. And I'll do another, I'm going to do another video on doing a proper plumbing joint. If you get a burst pipe at home and you don't want to call a plumber at 100 an hour, I've done so many pipes. I've done for my mother-in-law, I've done it for other people, and flawless. So let's put lots on there because I want you to hear the sizzle of this, only because it's just effect. Okay, let's put that down. Nice clean work area, no fires. So this is how we're going to turn this on. We turn that on, we turn this on. Let me put this up. I can't hear it. Thought you could hear it through the mic. Take my flame here. There, we're lit. Let's have a look. Close to my camera. No melted. Odd job, Johnny, on the case. So here we go. I got a little bit of solder here. This is the thin solder, don't forget. We're gonna turn this up a little bit. There we go. Just about a little. It goes way up. Like this flame goes real hot, but let's go to here. So what we do is listen for the, I won't talk and you can listen to the sizzle. We heat that joint and then we take our solder and there we go. I didn't use a heat sink on that, but, and if you think it's a little too globby, just heat it a little bit to smooth it out. Perfect, and then see how it smoothed out. It was a little ball I say, and then smooth right out. I'll show you the joint here in a second. Let's turn our torch off. This is handy. It was about 80 bucks at Canadian Tire. They're down to about 50 now. Bought that 2 years ago. Should say this soldering iron here is 18 years old. It works flawless. It's a Black & Decker. Weller also makes great soldering irons. There's a nice little joint that holds things together. It's a smaller joint. I would have done a bigger one if I wanted to show that. So let's do the shrink tube real quickly, and that is how you do a solder joint on a wire for cars. And it's the best way to do it. So here you go. There's that shrink tube I was talking about, lighter. And we'll get it right in there so you can see. Look at that baby shrinking up. Beautiful. Turn it over. Don't touch it because it will be hot. There it is. There's our great solder joint. Nice and strong. Pull on it. I'm pulling on it really hard. There you go. Hope all you handymen or at home do-yourselfers enjoy this, because I'm going to do the next one pretty much, I believe, in the next day on doing a plumbing joint if you get a leak. How to cut the pipe, how to solder it properly, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please put a like or thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because it's brand new. I hope to get lots of subscribers. I hope to teach you guys a lot, as I was in the automotive industry for years and the electrical industry. I'm gonna teach people how to do stuff at home without paying, and I should say you sometimes have to get a tradesman in, like to do a hot water heater or things like that, but this simple stuff is stuff that you can tackle at home. Here's everything that you need. I went over it. And one last thing, when you're finally finished with your wire and you're doing a hot rod or something, this is like a tubing. It opens up here, right there, like that, and you can put all your wires in there. It comes in different sizes, makes it real neat and tidy, and it hides things. And that's the last part I want to tell you about. So from me over here at Odd Job Johnny, Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Please leave comments on what I can improve on, as I'll be starting to do more and more videos, hopefully one every day. Thanks from me over here, Odd Job Johnny.